Welcome back all of you. In this topic we are going to see the process to be followed by sub-offices for opening of new accounts at branch post offices. Before going into the process, let us understand the concept behind this. Branch post offices are supplied with RICT device. They will forward the account opening form and application to sub-offices for SIF creation first. After getting back the application from sub-offices, branch post offices will open the account in RICT device, but they will not be able to allot the account number for the new accounts. Sub offices, on receipt of these applications from branch post offices, will open the account in HacpOA by using the reference ID generated by branch post offices and by debiting the office adjustment account of the BO, because when a BO opens the account, the amount is parked temporarily in office adjustment account of that BO. When sub offices open the account, they will debit this office adjustment account of the BO and credit the new accounts opened by them. New accounts opening like SB, RD, TD, SSA will be initiated on RICT device by BPM. After successful generation of receipt, the receipt will be forwarded to account office for further process. Further process means account opening. Now, how to find the details of new accounts opened by BO? There is a menu HACLPOA which can be used by operator or supervisor of SPM to find the total number of accounts opened by BO and the total amount collected by the BO. Alternatively, there is another menu HACLINQ which can be used by sub offices for getting the new accounts opened by BO. Now let me show how to invoke HACLPOA. After invoking HACLPOA menu in HacpOA, we have to enter the OAP account. OAP account means office account pointing. That is nothing but the temporary adjustment account of the branch post office. This OAP account is represented in the following syntax: SOL ID followed by FSI BO code followed by N. Example: if you are working in this office, in this sub office, this is the SOL ID of the sub office, and each BO under the sub office will be allotted with a unique FSI BO code. This is the FSI BO code followed by N. The OAP account will appear like this for a particular BO. Each BO will be having different and unique OAP account numbers. Now let me show how to use this menu. Enter HACLPOA in menu field and click Go. Report to PM. Enter the OAP account number of the particular BO. There are two BOs under this office. Now I am going to show the new accounts opened by one of the BO. Enter the OAP account number. The two account number will be automatically filled in. Enter the from date in this field. If you are looking for a particular date, then the from date and to date should be the same. Click submit. Report is generated successfully. This is what the message we are getting: batch program successfully launched. How to view the report? Enter HPR in menu screen. HPR is the menu to get the reports. Enter HPR and click Go. Click Go again. choose the office account ledger. This is the report generated. Click and click print screen. Now you can analyze this report. Now let us analyze this report. What are the information available in this report? So this is the office account ID of a BO, and this is the reference ID. This ID is needed for opening of account. Okay, when BO is opening the account, a receipt will be generated and they will paste the receipt on the account opening form. That receipt will be containing this reference ID also. This is the reference ID, and one account is opened because only one entry is there, which means only one account is opened by BO, and they have opened it for 25,000. The amount of 25,000 is temporarily parked in this account. The sub-officers will use this reference ID and open the new account by debiting this OAP account. After opening of this account, the OAP account will become 0. Now let us see the alternate method, HACLINQ. This is another menu from which you can get the same information. Now let me show the new accounts opened by another BO under the sub-office. Use HACLINQ. Enter the OAP account number. OAP account number is nothing but SOL ID followed by FSI BO code followed by N. This is a sample. Enter HACLINQ in menu field and click enter. Click go. Enter the OAP account of that particular BO. Enter the from date and to date and click go. See, there is one entry, which means one account is opened by this BO and rupees 250 is parked in this account. Okay, this is how we find the total number of accounts opened by BO and the total amount parked by the BO in a OAP account. In our next topic, we will see how to use this amount for opening of new accounts. Thank you.